Stair duty.
Guys, who wants to go on the ground team? Jacob.
Alright guys, we got this place.
Huh?
Dude, stop.
What?
Jacob. Blake. Actually, no. Who's going to go on the ground team? Move.
I'm covering the stairs for our team.
Nathan, you're over here.
Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea.
Alright, let's move. Where do you guys want to move? Oh shit, you scared me. Right.
Wait, shouldn't two of us still be up there now?
Go on the other side of the map. You have to flank around.
Okay, just go over there.
Oh shoot.
That scared me.
I thought someone was running at us or something,
Yeah, I know.
like full on
Yeah, I did that too.
Sonic or something. Nathan. You guys should have told me you guys were leaving.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, right window. I got this.
Did you get hit?
No. Oh my god. What? Oh my god, he scared the crap out of me. It's your uncle. I mean your father.
Oh my.
Our stepfather.
I'm waiting. It's only the three of us. You three of you keep quiet.
Bang bang!
Bang bang!
Oh, I said bang bang right
Andrew.
before you shot
I know.
me.
Well, you said bang bang, but I already pulled the trigger.
Yeah, it's good.
Yay!
I'm wishing on my bullets.
Guys, we should have a firing squad.
Oh.
Teamwork.
Touching me!
Andrew, are you really gonna piss people off that have guns?
Oh, dude, it's okay. Dude, I made you guys wet.
Dude, get it in the hole. Alright, guys, ready!
Whoa.
Like,
Watch the rush.
like,
Guys, let's rush. Follow.
Sick.
Where are they?
They're coming this way.
oh, Shyisma!
Hold the
What are you
fort.
guys doing back here? Hold the fort!
Hey, watch this
Watch
way
out
too. Okay.
Oh, stupid shrub!
Guys, I'm gonna...
Go. They're coming.
I got this side.
Here, out.
Oh, shit!
No, this is better. Guys, watch me.
Watch out, they're coming from that side. Go, 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 go.
pew, 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 pew.
What? Oh, the flag's gone. The flag's gone.
What?
What?